In this video, we're going to cover algebraic manipulation. Okay, so sometimes a letter will appear twice in a formula, and sometimes we're going to need exactly that letter to be our new subject, and that's going to be a problem. Now, for example, here we got W and another W, so we have the same letter twice. Now, if you want to make W the subject of my formula in this case, the key to solving that is going to be using factorization. All right. So let's have a look at an example. All right. You have to make x the subject of the formula, and again, you got x twice. Ax minus c is equal to 3x plus b. First step, the first thing you do is put every single x term or a term that has x in it on the same side. So I'm going to do ax minus c minus 3x is equal to b. Next up, just get rid of everything that's not x, obviously. Ax minus 3x is b plus c. Okay. You can do this step immediately if you're already able to do that, but you can definitely have one in between. Okay, ax minus 3x is equal to b plus c. I have all my x's on the left side now. Now the key is to get this x out of the two terms. And how do you do that? Well, I'm going to factorize x. So I'm going to put in brackets. If I put x in front of the bracket, what's left here? Well, x times a. What is left here, if I put x outside the bracket, I'm going to have minus 3. So I got x times a minus 3 is equal to b plus c. And this is it here. I only have one x left. So it's x times a minus 3. So I'm going to have to divide by a minus 3. Just leave it in a brick bracket like that. And I'm going to divide by a minus 3 here as well. So x is going to be b plus c over a minus 3. All right, another example. You have to make W the subject of the formula. So you might recognize this from the example, W and another W. All right, so first of all, this is a fraction. I want to get rid of fractions. I don't like them. I'm going to multiply by x minus W, which is my denominator here. So I get this. All right, now you have brackets, and your W is inside that bracket. You might want to get rid of the bracket. So I'm going to expand. So p times x minus p times w is equal to 2w. All right. Now you can start because you don't have any more brackets and you don't have any more fractions. So now let's put all the w's on one side. I'm going to leave this one here, and I'm going to add p times w to it so I can get rid of it on the left side. It doesn't matter if your w's are on the left or on the right side. It's going to be the same in the end. Now I have all my w's here, so I'm going to factorize out my w. 2 times w, so I'm going to have to multiply by 2 and by plus p. So I get px is equal to w times 2 plus p. I multiply by 2 plus p, so I'm going to divide by 2 plus p. So I'm going to do the same thing here. Divide by 2 plus p. And I don't need to use any more brackets. And this is how I get w out of the equation. All right, good luck.